Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my video once again, and hopefully all of you well. Today in this video I would love to share with you how can I speak more naturally and more confidently. Most of the students are facing the same problem every single day. When they are trying to speak English in front of the camera, they feel hesitant. That's why they are not being able to do it. So what is the first step that you should take? Dear brothers and sisters, at first you have to think, or you have to believe in yourself. You are a leader. You are not speaking in front of the camera. You are not speaking in front of the, mirror. You are speaking in front of the world. You are speaking in front of the public place, right? You have to think like this. But you are thinking, oh man, I'm talking alone. No, brother, you have to think a bigger way, or you have to change your mentality. Here's the problem that you are facing every single day. So first step is you have to think, I am speaking in front of the world. People are looking at me. So the decision is yours. What should you do? What can you do? You don't need to think about your knowledge, about your wisdom. You have to think, how can I speak more politely, more naturally? That will be your work. And you have to think about it. How can I speak more politely? How can I speak more naturally, more confidently? When you will be able to influence someone with your speech, then you can do everything. And people will tell you, oh man, you're doing great. You're speaking so nice. You're speaking so nice. How can you speak? And then people will ask you these types of questions, right? So you have to speak more confidently, even though you may have some words. It doesn't matter. You have to speak confidently, you have to speak naturally, and you have to think, I'm speaking in front of the wall. This is my point. I hope you got it. And that was my observation, my dear brother, sister. And I hope you are enjoying this video very much. So if you really like my video, please do subscribe my channel and share on it to your Facebook. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.